Spatial hierarchies at school. In this lesson, you'll be learning about spatial hierarchies. A spatial hierarchy starts with what's closest to you and expands out to the largest. So you, where are you? You live in your home. Your home is in your neighborhood. Your neighborhood is in your city. That's the idea of a spatial hierarchy. It starts with what's close and expands out to the largest. Today you're going to be putting some spatial groups in order from the closest to the largest by dragging and dropping. So here's the spatial groups you're going to be working with. Area 1, hallway, school, group or row, seat or desk, and the classroom. Again, you're thinking about what is a spatial hierarchy and how can a spatial hierarchy help make geographic connections. So if that spatial hierarchy starts from what's closest to you and expands out, how can that help us make geographic connections? Let's look at an example. Think about air pollution. In what ways do humans create it? And how is its impacts varying by scale? Let's look at automobile tailpipe emissions. Here's the car and what comes out of the tailpipe. They're called emissions. So at a local scale, that irritates one's lungs. At a regional scale, that contributes to acid precipitation, so the acid in the rain. And at a global or world scale, that contributes to climate change. So what's that mean? The same phenomenon, automobile emissions, has different impacts at different scales. And this is a look at spatial hierarchies. Now back to your assignment. All right, you're going to start your new attempt. And when you get inside your attempt, you will see that in your directions page, that's where the video is located. Question 2 is your spatial groups. Review the spatial groups and put them in order from closest to largest. So you simply drag and drop these to where you believe they go in order. Okay, so you should have the closest to the largest on the last one. And for question 3, in your own words, describe what a spatial hierarchy is. How can a spatial hierarchy help make geographic connections? If you need to refer back to the video, please do so and submit when you are finished. This is Spatial Hierarchies at School.